Do you ever have those annoying MOV files that you just can't edit in your editing software and can't play on your media player or mobile device? You can choose to convert these MOV video to popular MP4 format. The only question is how to convert MOV to MP4. If this is your question, then you've come to the right place. In this short video, we showed you how to convert MOV to MP4 easily and quickly. So let's get started. There is a very nice program called Video Converter Ultimate. It is an excellent video converting program that lets you enjoy the thrill of video conversion between various video formats, including MOV to MP4 format. Now download the software from the product page. Run it on your computer. Step 1. Load MOV files to the program. Step 2. Set output format as MP4 and adjust output settings. You can adjust the video encoder, resolution, audio sample rate and more. Step 3. Start to convert MOV to MP4. Wait for a few seconds and you can see the video has been converted successfully. Then you can play the converted video in any devices or players. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. And if this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe. We are all about helping you guys enjoy better life.